On the 26th of May 2025, we planted 4 grape vines as part of our Smart Village Farming initiative. Grapes are not only delicious and high in demand, but with proper care, they can also become a reliable source of income from a small space. Our preparation included choosing a sunny spot that gets 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily, preparing well-drained loamy soil mixed with compost and a bit of sand, ensuring a watering schedule to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. With good maintenance, these vines are expected to start producing fruit within 12 to 18 months. We also planted 1 Chui Jhal plant, Piper chaba, on the same day, but with a unique twist. We're training it to climb a tall palm tree in the garden. Why grow it on a palm tree? Checkmark strong natural support. The tall, sturdy trunk of the palm acts as a perfect climbing structure. Checkmark filtered sunlight. The palm leaves provide partial shade, which is ideal for Chui Jhal growth. Checkmark efficient use of space. Vertical growth saves ground space for other crops. We planted the Chui Jhal at the base of the palm and tied its vine gently with soft string to guide it upward. Our maintenance plan: we've created a care routine that includes regular watering, especially during dry spells, organic fertilizers every few weeks, training and pruning as the vines grow. What we expect: the grape vines may start fruiting by mid to late 2026. The Chui Jhal may be harvest ready in 10 to 12 months from planting. 1 grapevine growing outward and 1 Chui Jhal vine climbing upward. This garden setup is a great example of smart and sustainable farming in small spaces. This journey began on the 26th of May 2025, and we'll continue to share monthly updates with photos, growth tips, and results. If you have a palm tree, you too can try growing Chui Jhal vertically. Feel free to ask questions or share your thoughts in the comments.